Hello everyone, it's me, Ms Ivana again. Are you ready for your second class? The second thing we're doing today is a little bit of math, okay? So since we're learning about numbers mostly, so we're learning how to write them, how to count and things like that, it's very important that just like with letters, now at the beginning of year one, we'll learn really well how to form the letters. When I say form, what you need to do is to learn how to write them properly. Okay, so you will see that almost every day we send you something like this. Yeah, so what is this? It says number formation. Can you trace the numbers? You have a red dot at the beginning, yeah, and then a little arrow which shows you which way to go. Now, of course, you know how to do this. I have my color pencils here. So I'm just going to explain to you what is the best way to use this so you get a lot of practice out of this, so you really learn using this, but also maybe just, have a little bit more fun. Now, some of you maybe remember rainbow letters. Rainbow letters is that, again, you would have space like this to trace, but you wouldn't do it with a pencil just once. You would take a colored pencil, do it once, nicely and slowly, okay? And after you've done it once, you take a different color and you do it again. Then you can take another one and do it again. Then another one. Again. Another one. Again, okay? I think I just want to put some more blue and green here. One more time. One more time. Okay, so when you do like this, you can use your colored pencils to trace these letters. First of all, you're going to get much more practice, yeah, because you're going to be writing the same number more times. It's going to look nicer because it's going to be many different colors. And finally, you're not going to waste paper, okay? So this big piece of paper, to just use it to once write all the numbers, it's a bit of a waste. So let's try to use this paper wisely. So please, every time when you do this, please try to do it in different colors, going over and over the same number, okay? I think this is really important. Yes, my colored pencils are into colors. Okay, so that is the first thing. The second thing that I want to talk to you about is tallying. So you will see in the materials that me and Ms Stephanie sent you that you have a video. I'm just going to show you a little bit of that video. Okay, we're not going to watch the whole video together because it's very long, 3 minutes. So you can just watch it at home. But it helps you figure out how we count using tally marks. Okay, so I'm just going to skip through it so you can see a little bit, okay? And then I leave it up to you to watch the whole video at home. One, two, three tally marks. Okay, so it shows you how to represent a number in tally. 5 tally marks. Outstanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tally marks. Okay, so you can understand what is going on here. So watch this video, and then at the end of the class, once you've done all your work, there is going to be a special game for you, a special challenge to try and read tally marks and figure out which number you can see, because that's what the game is going to be all about. Okay, but let's see what is next here today. So today we're going to learn about a new number The last number we did is number 5. So here is number 5. What comes next? Number 6. Okay? So I'm going to write everything which is important on the board, and I'm going to ask you also to either fill in your worksheet or write it down in your notebooks. So let's see, all about number 6. This is how we write number 6. I'm going to show it one more time. Okay? This is how we write number 6. Now, first here it says name. When we say name, here I mean how do we write it. So let's listen to the sounds. 6, s, e, x. So, s, e, x, 6. This is how we write number 6. Now, here we have a 10 frame. If you remember, in the upper part of 10 frame, we can fit in 5 things, yeah? 5 chips or whatever. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We filled it out, and now we move on to the lower one, the first one on the left. So 5, 6. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what it looks like on the 10 frame. Now it says tally it. So if you remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the tally mark for number 5. And 6 is 5 plus 1. So we just need to add 1 more. And this is the tally mark of number 6. Okay? So let's count it. Maybe today for counting, we could use stars. So let's draw some stars. I'm just going to draw a lot of stars, okay, to begin with. So tell me, do I have 6 more or less? Can you try to count the stars by yourself, please? How many stars did they draw? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can also count this in 2s. So I counted 10. Let's go again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I drew 10 stars. So now out of these 10, I'm going to color in only 6. For example, this one. As I'm going to be the best coloring in, I'm going to try to do it quickly. So this one, it doesn't have to be in order. You can skip one. Then this one. So 2, 3, 4. 4 stars, and I need 2 more. Let's say this one. And this one. Yeah, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. Or if we count in 2s, 2, 4, 6. Okay, good. Now, this is what we have so far. Now, please look at the number line. Okay, so here I'm going to write here, because my board is kind of small, so I don't have a lot of space. I'm going to write N, B, which stands for number before, okay? And here I'm going to write N, E, number after. So let's take a look. Number 6 is here on the number line. So what is the number before number 6? Well, we need to take a step back. The number before is number 5. Okay? So we have 5, 6, and after 6, the number after 6 is number 7. Okay? So what I'm going to ask you now is to pause this video, okay? And try to note this down, okay? So either copy in your notebook, fill in your worksheet, and in a minute together, I'm going to rub this out, okay? And we're going to write down together the number sentences for number 6. Okay, if you've done that, let me just rub this out. A second, please. Okay, so I'm just going to check if you can see the number line.